Hello, my name is Manjit and I'm studying part-time for a Masters in Product and Furniture Design at Nottingham Trent University. My project has been focused on making a portable table and a comfortable chair for working in a coffee shop. Over the last couple of years, more and more people are working out of the office in different environments, such as coffee shops or co-working spaces, and these have lots of advantages. For example, a lack of travel, flexible work, a nice environment to work in, and also lots of coffee. However, one of the problems that has been raised by coffee shop owners and managers is that people will come and take over a whole table, which is designed for 4 or 6 people, and that means that others who want to come and enjoy a coffee there are not able to. The answer to this is to design an ergonomically designed table and chair, which is very comfortable and also made of sustainable materials, which will allow people to work there. Over the last couple of years, I've really enjoyed being at Nottingham Trent University, and for me, the most enjoyable part has been going down to the workshops. Having said that, I've also learned a lot about design. Unfortunately, COVID has had a bit of an impact, and one of the problems is that workshop time has been really limited, but also we've not had very much face-to-face contact and with tutors or with other students, and that's been a problem. In addition, the library's been closed, and that's made it a little bit difficult for doing the dissertation and so on. In the future, my plan is to work with my wife, Belinda, who has her own textile design company called Belinda Designs, and we will hopefully be doing a bespoke furniture and bespoke upholstery. Thank you very much for watching.